steps taken by the ministry to solve the problem of acute shortage of cotton. Acute shortage of cotton is a serious issue. May I know the steps taken by the ministry to solve the problem?
सामान सुविधा केंद्रों की स्थापना, नए उत्पादों के विकास के लिए डिजाइन परामर्शदाताओं की नियुक्ति, मौजूदा डिजाइनों के उधार में फैशन सुधार और उद्योग में नई नवीनतम डिजाइनिंग की शुरुआत, प्रक्रिया के लिए फैब्रिक चरण के बाद नवीनतम प्रौद्योगिकी को अपनाकर मूल्य वर्धन करना आदि है। केवीआईसी आउटलेटों को बेहतर स्वरूप प्रदान करने के लिए अपने बिक्री आउटलेटों के नवीकरण और साथ ही उनकी बिक्री कार्यशैली को सुधारने के लिए खादी संस्था को वित्तीय सहायता प्रदान करता है। विशेष रूप से खादी केवीआईसी खादी ब्रांडों के हितों की रक्षा के लिए खादी ट्रेडमार्क पंजीकरण शुरू किया है। विशेष रूप से 12 ये सारी चीजें हैं जिनके माध्यम से हम जो डिजाइनों को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं।
Second supplementary, Mr. Kumar.
Nowhere in the country these khadi workers are not getting minimum wages. Will you instruct the states to ensure minimum wages to khadi workers?
MMDA के माध्यम से उन्हें सहायता अनुरूप दिया जाता है, अनुदान के रूप में दिया जाता है। लागत का 30% नगद लाभ मिल रहा है। कुल MPDA लाभ से 30% और 10% DBT के तहत प्रोत्साहन के रूप में क्रमशः कारीगरों व अन्य कार्यकर्ताओं को जाता है। शेष 40% खादी उत्पादक संस्थाओं को जाता है और 20% खादी उत्पादक संस्थाओं के माध्यम से खादी की बिक्री करने वाली संस्था को शेयर किया जाता है।
I am appreciating the government efforts to promote the khadi industries. There are so many institutions the minister mentioned in his reply. Nearly 2,398 institutions are functioning in India, and also Tamil Nadu 75 institutions are functioning. I am even appreciating the Honorable Minister for what are the steps taken by the Honorable Government to promote the khadi. At the same time, I want to know what is the amount allocated for the khadi industries, especially for Tamil Nadu. I want to know what is any special scheme announced and governed for the Tamil Nadu to promote the khadi industries, sir.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, तमिलनाडु के लिए उसमें एक्स्ट्रा जो लगा हुआ है उसमें उसका उत्तर दे दिया गया है। पूरे प्रदेशों का राष्ट्र में जितने भी प्रदेश हैं 35 के 35 प्रदेशों का और उसमें लगा दिया गया है। सभा में रखें।
In every Indian's heart, because it is part of our freedom movement, it was part of the Swadeshi movement. And though the government has done enough to promote khadi, there is a matter of concern, and that is there is a 5% GST which is charged on cotton silver, which is a raw material to produce khadi. So now my request to you, sir, and to the Honourable Minister, will he consider proposing to the GST Council to exempt this cotton silver from the GST so that khadi can be further promoted in our country?
Honorable members, it is your time. Question hour is your time, members' time. Please participate in the question hour. Please participate in the question hour. Mr. Minister.
GST लगाने की बात की है, विशेष रूप से GST लगाने के इसमें केवीआईसी से जितने भी हमारे संसाधन हैं, जो भी लोन मिलता है, जो भी उत्पादन करते हैं, उनमें ये छूट दी गई 5% GDP की छूट दी गई है।
माननीय मंत्री से जानना चाहता हूँ कि शुद्ध खादी की परिभाषा क्या है और क्या सरकार के संज्ञान में है कि खादी और खादी से बने हुए परिधानों की अधिक कीमत तथा नीची गुणवत्ता के कारण खादी के प्रति आकर्षण कम हो रहा है। यदि हाँ, तो खादी की गुणवत्ता को सुधारने के लिए सरकार की कोई क्या कार्य योजना है?
अध्यक्ष महोदय, खादी की मुख्य परिभाषा जो है तो हाथ से बने हुए जो कपड़े बनाए जाते हैं वो खादी की स्रोत में आते हैं और अन्य मशीन से द्वारा बनाए हुए जो भी खादी निर्माण किए जाते हैं वो खादी की श्रेणी में नहीं आते। विशेष रूप से इसके लिए ढेर सारी योजनाएं तैयार की गई हैं और खादी की बढ़ोतरी के लिए हमने नए केंद्र भी खोले हैं जिससे वहाँ से बिक्री हो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग खादी को खरीद सकें।
स्ट्रीट वेंडर प्रोटेक्शन लाइवलीहुड रेगुलेशन स्ट्रीट वेंडिंग एक्ट 2014 there are provisions to constitute a committee for that and to identify the persons, to identify the vendors and issue them certificate. My question to Honorable Minister is, what is the latest position, whether they have they have constituted any committee, there is any time frame, by what time? It will. But, sir, how is
We are listening, minister is listening. Please carry on.
Say house is not in order.
Sir, house is not ordered, what sir I should do? I'm not
But your colleague is not in order.
Sir, I am not able to listen, house is not in order.
But we are listening to you.
No, that is there.
We are listening to you,
I am
Mr.
not able to
Minister.
listen.
Sir, I want to first thank the honourable member for asking this question on the street vendors. The operative thrust of this question is how the Swanidhi scheme, which deals with street vendors, how they contribute to the GDP of the country. Now, sir, the street vendors, even after the 2014 Act was passed, they continued, and the Swanidhi scheme, which was introduced at the height of the pandemic in 2020, so the Swanidhi, in 2020, when the scheme was announced, in 1 week, an outline was rolled out. In about 1 or 2 months, a detailed blueprint was produced. Today, we have already extended 3,683 crores of rupees to street vendors to make them micro entrepreneurs. Initially through 10,000 rupees loan, then 20,000 rupees loan, and then a 30,000 rupees loan. When they pay the loan back, they are then included into the formal economy through digital. Their details are uploaded, and they also become eligible for different schemes of the Prime Minister. Several of these are well available, sir. Sir, insofar as the 2014 Act and these committees are concerned, this is ongoing work which the urban local bodies have to undertake by themselves. I would be very happy to share with the honourable member which local body has undertaken what surveys. This answer to the question already provides state-wise, urban territory-wise, union territory-wise, all the details of how many street vendors have been given loans under the Swanidhi scheme. Both the numbers and those details are provided in the body of the answer, sir.
Thank you. Second supplementary.
Yes, sir, I have.
Shri Narayan
I would like
Das
to
Gupta
say-
ji,
Sir,
second supplementary.
Yes, sir, I have a question to the Honorable Minister. On 14th of June, sir,
You carry on. We are listening. Minister is listening to you. Please, Mr. Gupta.
on 14th of June, there is a direction given by the Police Commissioner of Delhi to remove the street vendors. My request to the Honorable Minister is whether he would like to pass the instruction to the Police Commissioner not to remove all these street vendors. These are Patriwala.
Sir, I want to thank the honourable member for asking this very important question. And sir, the heart of this Swanidhi scheme is to give respect and dignity to the street vendors. Now, the Street Vendors Act of 2014 was the start of a process through legislative provision. Now we are also celebrating, as part of our 75th year celebration, of events to honor the street vendors and to celebrate their lives. Insofar as the specific question of Delhi is concerned, my attention was drawn to this. Sir, as of today, we have a new police commissioner in Delhi, and I would be very happy to tell the police commissioner, it seems, sir, that the street vendors have been at the receiving end from urban local bodies, from police authorities. We are now trying to change that, and the Swanidhi scheme effectively gives them new respect, a new dignity, and they will not only be recognized, they have been an important part of our economic story. Now they will be given a higher place in society through the actions we have taken. But insofar as the Delhi issue is concerned, individual, we will certainly, we speak to all. I have written to the chief ministers of all the states, we have written to the chief secretaries and to the concerned authorities that the street vendors must be given due respect and that their dignity should be uppermost. they should be made to be feel wanted in our economic story, and I am sure, sir, that is something that is currently underway.
Thank you. Leader of the House.
To all my honorable colleagues,
Please go to your seat. Please go to your seat.
that we have very important legislative business. Then we have price rise to be discussed. They have been demanding that price rise be discussed. Today it is listed in the Lok Sabha. Tomorrow it will be listed in the Rajya Sabha. The opposition had collectively assured us that once the date is finalized and it is listed, we will allow the House to run properly. Many members are coming here, they have important issues. I appeal to my honorable colleagues from the opposition to allow the House to function smoothly. We are lawmakers and not lawbreakers. Those who break the law face the consequences of the law. I would appeal to them, let law take its own course. Government cannot interfere in the law enforcement agencies. They are doing their job. I would honestly appeal to the opposition to allow the House to run so that important legislative business is done. Also, we have price rise discussion pending, and otherwise we will be perforce required to run the House every day late or extend the working of the House. So it's important that we all come to a agreed position and let the House function. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Please go to your seat. Please go to your seat. Let the House function. Later on you can. You want to say? LOP has not requested. LOP has not requested for time. He has not requested. Even then I am requesting him so that he can say something about what has been said by the leader of the House. If you want to say something on the discussion on price rise, if you want to say something, you can say.
एक मिनट सुनिए, देखिए हाउस
All of us, please go to your seat. Please go to your seats.
नहीं, वो तो अपने सीट पे बैठे हैं. मेरा निवेदन आपसे यही है कि जो मुद्दे आपके सामने हमने रखे हैं और खास करके नोटिसेस भी दिए हैं, उन नोटिस का जिक्र भी आपने नहीं किया. जो झारखंड में हो रहा है, जो महाराष्ट्र में हो रहा है, जो आसाम में और
Don't disturb LOP. Don't disturb LOP. You are disturbing LOP. You are disturbing LOP. You are the chief of the party. You are disturbing your own LOP. What is that?
देखिए गुजरात में अरे ये 100-150 लोग मर चुके हैं और हमने महंगाई मुद्दे पे तो चर्चा के लिए आपसे सतत कोशिश कर रहे हैं, फिर भी आप उसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं कहना चाहते.
ये
तो
थैंक यू नहीं, आपने प्राइस राइज के ऊपर डिस्कस करने की बात की है. लीडर ऑफ द हाउस ऑलरेडी ही हैज सेड दैट इट विल बी डिस्कस्ड टुमारो.
आपका दोस्त क्या कर रहा है?
इट इज बीइंग डिस्कस्ड इन लोकसभा टुडे सर एंड इट विल बी डिस्कस्ड हियर टुमारो.
और अधिक खबरों के लिए आप हमारे YouTube चैनल दैनिक इंडिया दर्पण को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें.